Let us study about saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons or carbon compound. We have already seen the structure of methane. It has one carbon atom in the center and four hydrogen molecules attached to the molecule. Because carbon, the valence electrons present in the carbon is 4 and hydrogen is having one valence electron, because that it is saturated. Another compound formed between carbon and hydrogen is ethane. See, methane means only one single carbon, then it is known as methane. Ethane means two carbon atom molecules present in the molecule. The methane general formula is CH4 and ethane general formula is C2H6. The another compound formed between carbon and hydrogen is ethane. The general formula is C2H6, carbon 2 and hydrogen is 6 molecules. In order to arrive at the structure of simple carbon compound, okay, it has a very simple carbon compound. And the first step is linked to the carbon atom together with a single bond and then use hydrogen atoms to satisfy the remaining valency of carbon. Okay, what it will happen if two carbon molecules are joined? How it will be? Already you know there is a 4 valence electrons present in the carbon. Okay, one valence electron is combined with another valence electron of another carbon. There is a formation of bond between the two carbon molecule. Okay, other 3 valence electrons are remaining. Those valence electrons are combined with the hydrogen molecule. That's why the ethane molecule, it consists of 6 hydrogens are attached to 6 hydrogen means 3 hydrogen molecules are attached to the one carbon, 3 hydrogen molecules are attached to the other carbon, and 2 valence electrons are involved in a bonding. Okay, that's why here there is a presence of single bond. Means 3 valency of each carbon atom remaining unsatisfied, so each is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms giving. See here, in step 1 there are 2 carbons are joined by 2 valence electron from one valence electron from one carbon and the other one valence electron from other or carbon. Okay, 3 valencies are joined, 3 valencies of each carbon atom remain unsatisfied, so each is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms in step 2. Okay, the electron dot structure of ethane is here in figure 4.6. You see here, C carbon joined by 2 valence electrons and 3 valence electrons are combined with 3 hydrogen atoms of one carbon, 3 valence electrons joined by uh, 3 hydrogen atoms of other carbon. Okay, can you draw the structure of propane? Means here it can be classified, saturated hydrocarbons are classified on the basis of the carbon atom. For example, methane containing one carbon, 4 hydrogen atom, methane. Ethane means 2 carbon atoms are attached, then it is known as ethane. Propane, can you draw the structure of propane? Means here 3 carbon atoms are linked together and propane means 3 carbon molecule. Butane means 4 carbon molecule.